And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious oven roasted chicken. So what I like to use is chicken legs and thighs to do roasted chicken because they have more fat actually in it, and fat is flavor, and also it'll keep it moist. So chicken breasts are usually get dried out because one, it's really hard to cook. Because you only have that certain window to keep it nice and moist. So, but chicken legs and thighs are more forgiving. So what I have here is I have 2 legs, 2 thighs. I have a tablespoon of paprika. I have a tablespoon of garlic powder. I have a tablespoon of tarragon, dried tarragon. I have a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I have a tablespoon of black pepper and also a tablespoon of salt. And I have 1 ounce of olive oil. So what we're looking to do is we're going to combine our seasonings into a bowl. We're going to mix it up nice and easy. We're going to add our half of our olive oil onto it. We're going to mix it up. So it's basically going to look like so. And we're just going to go and add it to our chicken. But first, with the other half of our olive oil, we're going to add it to our roasting pan. Okay, so we have our chicken legs and thighs. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our seasoning to the legs and thighs, but we're going to rub it in. Nicely rub it in. So basically massage it in. Now, what I like to do is get some of the seasoning and rub it underneath the skin too, and rub some of it on top of the skin. So you have that extra burst of flavoring. Believe me, it's going to make a difference. You have it like so. Now, we're going to add it to the roasting pan. Like so. Now, what I like to do is wrap it around because usually the skin flaps out, but I like to wrap it around to make it look nice and neat. So, okay. There we go, just like so. And now we're going to cook it off in our oven at 325. It's going to take about 20 to 25 minutes, but we're looking for the internal temperature of our chicken to reach 165 degrees. Okay, we're gonna put it in our oven. Okay, let's check on our chicken. Okay, you want the internal temperature to hit 165. Okay, we are good. Alrighty. So let's just plate it. There. There, like so. Okay, let's dig in. That's nice and juicy and flavorful with the herbs. And if you'd like to have more or see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.